Hi and welcome. You're going to see makeup tips and tricks to make your eyes look brighter, prettier, younger, amazing contour and foundation. Using products like Makeup Forever, Kat Von D, and NYX, it's a wow. Seraphine Botanicals cosmetics are handcrafted, vegan, and 100% cruelty-free. This rhubarb and rose creamy lip and cheek palette smells amazing. No wonder with raspberry, coconut, and blackberry extracts. This shows you can mix luxury products with drugstore products and get an awesome result. It's a wow. This eyeshadow look with purple and diamond dust sparkle is great for a festival or a party. Did you know that beauty blenders are 100% vegan and cruelty-free? They came out in 2007. Now there's the original beauty blender, one for blush and one for concealer. This is a great tutorial to show you the technique. some makeup artists actually prefer completing the eye makeup first. That way when you put on your foundation and concealer after, it minimizes fallout and cleans it away more easily. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer is amazing. It comes in 12 shades, including a neutralizer. In this makeup tutorial, it's being used as an eyeshadow base. What an awesome drugstore product. It's a wow. Wonder 2 is considered a high-tech cosmetics brand founded in the UK, with products like the Wonder Brow Eye Gel and the Wonder Lift. This tutorial uses the Perfect Selfie HD Photo Finishing Powder, which also comes in a bronzing veil. It's a wow. This Wonder 2 beauty product was featured in the 2018 Allure Best of Beauty. On the Glow Blush and Illuminator comes in 3 shades. And wait till you see the Laura Geller Color Luster Lip Gloss in the end. It's a wow. This is it, the makeup artist favorite, the blogger favorite, the Instagram favorite. It's the New Artist Cosmetics 3D High Shine Dapper Drops. Put them on before your foundation, mix them with your makeup routine. It gives you the perfect glow. It's a wow. This latte eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics features 10 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades with insane shimmers. It's a wow. Wait till you see the finished look.